Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get copper in Stardew Valley. First, you'll want to head to the mines, which are located north of Pelican Town. Copper ore is most abundant on the early levels, typically from level 1 to level 39. Keep an eye out for light brown rocks with a distinct orange hue. These are your copper ore nodes. You'll need to descend into the mines to begin your search for this valuable resource. To successfully mine copper, your primary tool will be the pickaxe. Every farmer starts with a basic pickaxe, which is perfectly adequate for breaking copper ore nodes. While a basic pickaxe works, upgrading it at the blacksmith will allow you to break nodes faster and with fewer hits, saving you valuable time and energy. Remember to clear some space in your inventory before heading into the mines. Once you've located a copper ore node, simply approach it and use your pickaxe to strike it. Each copper node will typically drop between 1 and 3 pieces of raw copper ore. Be mindful of your energy bar. Mining consumes energy, so plan your trips carefully. It's also wise to keep an eye on your health, as monsters in the mines can pose a threat. Collect as much as you can before returning to your farm. After gathering your copper ore, the next step is to process it into copper bars. You'll need a furnace, which you receive the recipe for after collecting your first piece of copper ore. To create 1 copper bar, combine 5 pieces of copper ore with 1 piece of coal inside the furnace. Copper bars are incredibly versatile, used for crafting various items, upgrading your tools, and completing bundles.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.